Hello guys, and welcome to another video. I'm gonna show you how to quantify with the DCPTG app. It's pretty simple. It's obviously just few clicks per day. You can see here my team. It is from 4 members. And it still works. I'm pretty happy. How does it work? So I clicked on the quantify tab, then just quantifying. The AI bot trades for us. I speed up a little bit. You can see the result really soon. Yep. It shows 11 euros and 33 cents. That is pretty good for maybe 1 minute of the time. So in 1 minute I earned 11 euros. I click the second time. It should be around 22 euros. Let me see. Yes, exactly, it's completed. Yeah, so it's 22.66. Because I'm VIP2, I can do 5 times quantifying per day. It's pretty fine. Yeah, as I said, I have only 4 people invited, so yeah, that you can, so in this case you can do only 5 times. As a beginner, you can do it 3 times per day, I think, till you don't reach VIP2 level. That means if you invite at least 3 people who cash in at least 100 USDT, that's how can you jump a level. So I finished my 3rd quantifying. It's 33.99. My today's portfolio, and I can do 2 more times. That's the 4th time. What is now trading the bot. As you can see, it's 45.32. And I click one more time. Exactly. Yeah. So it's finishing soon. I speed up a little bit again, so you guys don't have to wait that much. I just wanted to show you that this thing is really works. You can look up at the Trustpilot if you're not sure how it's work or what the other people think, and you will see a lot of positive reviews. That means it's not a scam. It's really works. I'm in as I mentioned 54 days, I think. And you can see now the trades, so the quantifying is over, and the bot how it's made the profits. Thank you guys for watching, and smash that like button. It really helps me to reach new people who are interested in DCPTG. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. I will answer them. Or if you have an issue how to install the app, how to transfer USDT, you can also reach me out on the email. I will also put in the description. And of course, if you will join my team, you're welcome. It's going to be also an invite link in the description. And for the bit chat, which I highly suggest the app, they are working phenomenal. If you have further questions, just feel free to ask. Thank you. Till next time.